Today I am reviewing the ACEMAGIC Retro X 5 mini gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When you think of a mini PC, you probably imagine something compact, efficient, and maybe good enough for office work or light entertainment. But the ACEMAGIC Retro X 5 mini gaming PC challenges that expectation in a big way. This is not just a small computer. It's a surprisingly powerful machine that blends cutting-edge performance with a unique retro-inspired design, making it stand out in a crowded market. Let's start with what really drives this system, the performance. At the heart of the Retro X5 is the AMD Ryzen AI 9HX 370 processor. This is a flagship-level chip featuring 12 cores and 24 threads, with boost speeds reaching up to 5.1 GHz. In simple terms, this is serious computing power packed into a very small form factor. Whether you're multitasking with heavy applications, editing videos, running modern games, or even experimenting with AI workloads, this processor handles it all with ease. Compared to previous Ryzen chips, and even some high-end Intel mobile processors, the performance gains are noticeable, especially in demanding tasks. But what makes this system even more future-ready is its built-in AI engine. With the latest XDNA 2 architecture, it delivers up to 50 TOPS of dedicated AI performance and up to 80 TOPS combined platform capability. Now, that might sound technical, but what it really means is that this mini PC is built for the next generation of software, from AI-assisted workflows to smarter applications that are becoming more common every day. Moving on to graphics, the integrated AMD Radeon 890M GPU is a major highlight. This isn't your typical integrated graphics solution. Built on the RDNA 3.5 architecture, it offers performance that can rival entry-level dedicated GPUs. For gamers, this means you can actually enjoy modern titles at respectable settings without needing a bulky desktop tower. It's especially great for esports games, indie titles, and even some AAA games if you tweak the settings properly. And for those who love retro gaming, the Retro X5 is perfectly suited for emulation. Its design pays homage to classic gaming consoles, and the performance underneath ensures that those nostalgic titles run flawlessly while still giving you the power to jump into modern gaming when you want. Now let's talk memory and storage, because this is where things get even better. The system comes with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5,600 MHz, which is more than enough for heavy multitasking, content creation, and demanding applications. And if that's not enough, you can upgrade it all the way up to 128 GB. Storage is handled by a 1 TB NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD, which delivers incredibly fast load times and responsiveness. Booting up the system, launching apps, and transferring files all feel instant. Plus, with support for expansion up to 4 TB, you won't have to worry about running out of space anytime soon. One of the most user-friendly features here is the tool-free upgrade design. You can easily access the internals just by removing the top cover. No screws, no hassle. That's a small detail, but makes a big difference for anyone who likes to upgrade or maintain their system. Connectivity is another area where this mini PC really shines. The Retro X5 supports up to 4 displays simultaneously, which is impressive for a system of this size. With HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 2.0, and dual USB-C ports supporting display output, you can build a powerful multi-screen setup for productivity, trading, content creation, or immersive gaming. Imagine editing videos across multiple timelines or managing multiple workflows at once. This system makes it possible. On top of that, you get USB 4 support, multiple USB 3.2 ports, dual gigabit Ethernet ports, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.4. This means faster data transfers, stable internet connections, and seamless pairing with all your devices. Whether you're working, gaming, or streaming, everything feels smooth and responsive. Now let's not forget about the design. The Retro X5 stands out with its nostalgic look inspired by classic gaming consoles. It's a refreshing change from the typical plain mini PC designs. Despite its compact size, it feels solid and well built, and it fits perfectly into any setup, whether the gaming desk, office workspace, or even a living room entertainment center. Another advantage of this compact design is efficiency. With a 65W power consumption, it delivers desktop-level performance without the high energy usage or heat output of traditional gaming PCs. That makes it not only powerful, but also practical for everyday use. Of course, no product is perfect. While the integrated GPU is very powerful for its class, hardcore gamers looking for ultra settings in the latest AAA titles might still prefer a dedicated gaming desktop with a high-end GPU. But for the vast majority of users, this system offers more than enough performance. Overall, the ACEMAGIC Retro X 5 mini gaming PC is an impressive blend of power, efficiency, and design. It proves that you don't need a large, bulky system to get high-end performance. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, professional, or just someone who wants a fast and future-ready PC, this mini powerhouse delivers on almost every front. If you're looking for a compact PC that can truly do it all, from gaming to productivity to next-gen AI tasks, the Retro X5 is definitely worth considering.